Yo mga kabayan, wait lang. Jessica Sanchez is back sa America's Got Talent. Yes, hindi ka nagkakamali. After almost 20 years, bumalik siya sa AGT at grabe, golden buzzer agad. Hindi ko alam kung ready kayo sa chismis at goosebumps today. Pero let's go, kwentuhan time muna tayo. So ito na nga, Jessica Sanchez. Yes, yung runner-up sa American Idol Season 11, yung may boses na hindi na kailangan ng mic, she came back sa AGT Season 20. At ang twist, she first joined the AGT nung 10 years old pa lang siya. Ngayon, she's 29 years old, newly married, and preggy pa. Ang daming ganap sa life niya. Pero, she walked on that stage like a true queen. Kinanta niya yung Beautiful Things by Benson Boone and wow lang talaga. Yung tipong hindi mo ma-explain if gusto mong umiyak, mag-cheer, or magpamassage kasi ang daming emotion sa katawan mo sabay-sabay. And then boom! Sofia Vergara slammed the golden buzzer. Lahat ng confetti, luha, at kilig naghalo. Mga kabayan, yung feeling na ate mo na nanalo sa barangay sing contest pero sa buong mundo, ganun yung vibes. So Simon Cowell even smiled like proud tatay. Melby was shocked. Howie was clapping like walang bukas. Ang sabi nila, this is what AGT is all about. Period. Alam mo yung mas nakakatuwa? Jessica shared na dumaan din siya sa time na parang nawalan siya ng love for music. She felt the pressure at parang gusto niyang mag-quit. Pero now, she's glowing, she's powerful, and she's back doing what she was born to do. Parang reminder sa ating lahat na pwede kang bumalik, pwede kang magsimula ulit, pwede kang mag-shine kahit ilang taon na ang lumipas. Grabe, Jessica, if you are seeing this from your kababayans all around the world, we are so proud of you. Your voice still gives us chills. Your story gives us hope. At syempre, dala mo pa rin yung bandera ng Pinoy talent sa buong mundo. So mga kababayan, anong masasabi ninyo? Comment down below kung na-LSS din kayo sa Beautiful Things after that performance. At kung gusto nyo ng more updates and reactions like this, alam nyo na, like, follow, and share para sama-sama tayong maging proud. Kung nga pala si Mr. G, and this is your daily dose of Pinoy Power Stories. See you next, chika.